It's Thunder E here. It is great to get packages in the mail, but none better than today with this package. This is the Dragonball FighterZ kit. Yes, the brand new game. I can't wait to see what's inside here. So you know what, let's just go ahead, open this up. Haven't done an unboxing this year, so this is my first unboxing of 2018, and I am glad it is actually this. All right, so let's see, what do we have here? Oh, bam, look at that, look, oh snap. Oh, look at Goku right there. Bam, let's take this out, let's take a closer look at what we have right here. Bam, there it is. This is the Dragonball FighterZ kit right here. It looks absolutely awesome, front to back. Let's dive in and take a closer look what we have. All right, jumping in and opening this. I do like this box, so this is dope. All right, what else do we have here? Some more packaging. Some nice yellow. Oh, thank you. What do we have in here? We've got a letter. We've got something. Let's open this up. And that's terrible. That was really bad. Dragon Ball Z Fighter, and we've got some codes here. Championship, copy of Dragon Ball Z, controller, t-shirt. There's a bunch of stuff. King Kai himself. Thank you very much, King Kai. All right, so first off, the game. We've got day one edition of the game right here. Dragon Ball FighterZ. I keep saying Dragon Ball Z, but can't wait to go ahead and play this. We also have a pin, I believe, right here. Collectible lapel pin and Piccolo keychain. Yes, I actually do need a new keychain holder. So here we are. We've got two pins in here for those who are interested. True Dragon Ball FighterZ pins, and of course Piccolo. Let me go ahead and just focus on this here for you guys so you can see it clearly. Bam, set those two aside. We've also got, of course, an Xbox One controller. It's batteries. This is the charging kit as well with it too, I believe, on the side, so we can go ahead and recharge our controller from control gears, which is pretty cool. Set that aside. Got a t-shirt. Bam. T-shirt says, what does it have here? We've got Goku, Vegeta, Cell, Frieza, Majin Buu. I mean, sorry, Buu, not Majin Buu. My bad. Bam. What else do we have here? Oh, we got a couple of things, but let me look at this first. We've got Dragon Stars, Super Saiyan Future Trunks. It's pretty cool. Nice. And finally, we've got, let's see, this is your Plastic Mode Kit, Final Form Frieza. Very, very nice. I mean, all the stuff is pretty cool. You know, hey, thank you very much for sending this over. The guys this is from both Microsoft and Bandai Namco, so I want to thank them for sending all these over the game. Can't wait to check it out, play. It is fun. This is a fun game to play, and it's just great to have some of this stuff. Yeah, so I would say this, the first person to retweet this video is gonna get, first two people are gonna get the pins and the t-shirt. So the t-shirt is not my size, it's a large, so pins, two pins and t-shirt, just retweet and you get it. Anyway, thank you very much guys for watching. If you have any questions or any comments, or you just love Dragon Ball FighterZ, we'll have some gameplay video on Board Gamer, so go ahead and check it out there. But enjoy and thank you.